Okay, so today we're going to get into using the Jaclyn Hill palette in volume 2, and we're just going to create something spring and use a few of these colors here to create something fun and exciting. So before we get started, I always like to just put a little bit of powder under the eye for any fallout, because we are using bright colors and my skin is already done. So I'm just going to grab my powder and just pat that underneath. So to start, we're going to go in with the shade No Joke here and just pop this all over the crease area. Then we're popping into the shade Home Body, and we're going to be packing this all over the lid area. Now we're going to pop into the shade Perfectionist and then blend this out into the crease. Now we're going to pop into the shade Temptress, and we are going to just pop this and tightline it against the lash line. Going in with the shade Temptress again, and we're going to tightline the bottom lash line. And going back in with this pencil brush and Home Body, and we're going to smoke out the lower lash line. Now I'm popping into the shade Talia, and I'm going to pop this into the inner corners of my eye.